day guys, it's Chili Cube from Queensland in Australia. Acrylic pouring for you today. I'm using today the Mont pouring paints. They're so quick and easy, there's no preparing required. So I just want to do a little test with these. If I have made up some of the marte in the ultramarine blue. Yeah, I've made up some, and I've put a bit of floetrol in the mix. I've actually done it quite runny, so I don't know whether this will work, but I just wanted to have a look what a floetrol swipe would do through the Mont pre-made pouring paints. So it's just a little test, but I want to do it in kind of the oceany colours. They're all quite pastel colours, but I'm going to swipe with the ultramarine blue to bring it all to life. And I love the gold, so I'm going to make sure I get a bit of the gold in there somewhere as well with these colours. All I suggest is that when you have them, you give them a real good shake. So you're just mixing them all up and making sure that they're all ready to go. They're quite highly pigmented, so I suggest you wear gloves so they're nice and highly pigmented. Got the two little doggies here just trip-tropping around, so if you can hear their little tooties on the floor, it's the dogs. So you can get these paints in the US and also in Canada, United Kingdom. I have a link underneath to the overseas suppliers. If you're in Australia, you can get them off our online supplier at Capriole Shabby Chic, and the link is below. Just click the link and they have everything to do with your acrylic pour painting. So the one lid that I never took the little cap out of, just poke your skewer through there and get the little cap protector, whatever they call them, out of there. Okay, ready to go, Joe. So I'm doing, kind of these oceany colours, so because for one thing, living so close to the ocean as I do here in Queensland, they always sell well, ocean colours, and they always look beautiful. No matter what decor you've got, they still look stunning. So I'm going to just put in all these lovely shades. Oh, that one was the turquoise. This one is the light aquamarine. They have some beautiful colours and a really big choice of colours. So you'll see them if you go online, Capriole Shabby Chic, they'll have all the colours there. And if you're thinking of ordering them or anything on there, I would order soon because of the sanctions maybe affecting, well, they are affecting things coming in from China, so order it while it's available. I'm going next to the mint green. So they're all beautiful, sort of nice pastel-y colours. But I'm just hoping that swiping with that dark green will, dark aquamarine blue will bring out all these colours just beautifully. So that one, just one more because I've probably got more than enough, which is the light blue. Good shake. So they're just ready to pour. If you're traveling or you haven't got very much room to actually do a lot of paint mixing, then these are obviously the perfect fit for you because they're already all pre-made. So you've only got to really, you've just got to paint and go. Put your paint down and go. So I'm only going to put this gold on the very bottoms, on my bottom. Okay, just give it a little bit of a tilt. It's quite a, like a substantial paint. It's not runny, not too runny, and it's not too thick. So, but if you find that with any, you know, as with all paint, sometimes they can come in different, you know, thicknesses. Some days you'll get a blue that's quite thick in the same brand, and then the next batch you get maybe a little bit runnier. I don't find that so much so with the Mont martes. That's what I really like about them. They're quite consistent. So yeah, so that's good. Just with your runoff, just finger pop the edges. Run your finger underneath and just finger pop your edges. Oh, I've got a bit. I've put the masking tape underneath my canvas around, so it protects the canvas at the back, so it looks a lot more pretty. If you're, especially if you're going to sell your work, it just finishes off the back that little bit nicer. But I mean, ultimately they are put against a wall, so you can't see what's happening on the back of them. But so it's no biggie really. I'm not too worried about the back because I can come round and finish that off afterwards. So it's just basically finger popping around. This dog has laid. I've got my son and daughter-in-law's dog with us today, and Lola. She's a little Havanese dog. Try and hold her up after I've finished. She's such a dear little thing. But my dog Bindi, who is an Australian Shepherd, at first would not have a bar of her. She just wanted to attack her. And I think it was because I had my other dog die just before Christmas, and she felt that my dog felt she didn't want to have anyone replace Gus. So hence, I just felt that she'd bite this poor little dog's head off, so we've had to keep them separated. And then last night I went out for tea and my son came here, and he decided, and his wife, to introduce them, which is very brave of them because I thought for sure there would be big trouble. But now they're the best of friends, playing, just really happy with one another, so I'm very, very, very happy about that. So people that's a dog lover, you'll understand what I'm sort of meaning. Okay, that's my white colour, so not too much on it, and I'm going to use a soft plastic file divider. So here we go with these lovely oceany colours. Ooh, it's very slim bit of blue on there, so okay. So of course, because I've put the floetrol in, that's what I'm expecting, is it to lace up. Just turn it over. It is very very pale and pastel-y, but let's see what happens with this. I'm not sure whether to try the other side in the I have got, yeah, I suppose I should definitely give it a go while you guys are here, the experiment mode. This was a navy that I made up the same out at the Mont pouring paint. So I put the ultramarine blue, I put one squirt of the black, and I put a squirt of the dark green to make this navy. So I might give the navy a try on the other side just to see what we come up with. Always worth a little try. Ooh. Missed a spot. So this one is, when I mixed this up, the only thing I added to it was a little bit of the pouring medium of the craft glue and water, which I'd got pre-mixed up there, so I just used a little bit of that. So here we go, we'll see. So that's the floetrol side, and this will be the glue side, so give this a go. Probably should have swipe this with my Swifty swipe, I would have been able to control this a little bit better. Let's just move my paints. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. It's going in leaps and bounds. I'm so pleased with it and so pleased with the reaction that I get off you guys, and the lovely comments, of course, are beautiful. So thank you again. Just gonna re-swipe this one. But yeah, so yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this one, and if you've tried the Mont pouring paints. So yeah, they're all interesting things to try. Oh, now I've gone and probably messed that bit up, but never mind, nothing's a mess. Keep getting told all the time it's not it's an happy accident, is it, or something like that. So I might just try with the heat wand. I mean, really, that's a lovely swipe as it is. It looks gorgeous. It almost looks like a reflection over the ocean. So swipes are all the thing at the moment, that people are just loving these swipes left a la naturelle. I might just try a little bit of the wand down the centre. I don't want to set it crazy. Well, my goodness, that just looks like salt sea spray. It really is a lovely reflection swipe. Very happy with that, actually. That is gorgeous. So there you've got an ocean reflection swipe. So it's a happy little one. I mean, you can, if you like to have a little play there, you can just finding some, you could add some embellishments if you like, but this is gonna, you know, kind of develop with the cells down there. So what I'll do is I'm going to leave it at that for you, because that is an actual lovely reflection swipe. It's really pretty, lovely colours. I'm quite happy with it like that. I do not think it needs any embellishment. Of course, I am always want to add my balloon embellishment, and I really love doing that. But for this one, I'm going to leave it like it is. I'm going to let it develop a bit further, because obviously I'll get the cells down the centre. And let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. I just think, I mean, look at the difference, really. The glue swipe obviously didn't give this lovely lacing. So that is what the floetrol in the paint will do. But these were the pouring paints. So again, a whole different, you know, they're already pre-made up. So they're very nice for doing as the swipe technique. And I probably could have just laid the whole canvas and painted it white, and then just put the swipe colours down the centre and swiped out. So that's another thing that I will try this week sometime, doing different techniques. But thank you so much for joining me again. Thank you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you'd like to join us on my Acrylic Art by Jilly Cube Facebook page, we have a pouring group over there which you guys can post your pictures of your art, and it's called Australian Acrylic Pouring with Jilly Cube. So yeah, pop over there and join us. Love to see your work. And thank you so much for joining me, and again, until next time, bye for now.